Documenting data, facts, observations, concepts, ideas, or reflections allows you to organize the information that you have gathered and facilitates its analysis. In fact, the documents that you have marked and annotated probably come from a variety of information sources such as internet sites, PDF documents, personal notes, audio and video excerpts, or numerical data. By grouping these notes together and documenting them in the same place, you avoid scattering your efforts and dealing only superficially with the information they contain. In short, documenting information essentially means two things. First, gathering the information in a single location, and second, laying the groundwork for a first phase of organizing the information. But before you document your notes, here's a tip. Make sure the resources containing the notes are properly organized. For example, you can gather them in a single folder, organize them, and create a folder tree in which they are classified by category. For more information on creating trees, note that this skill is the subject of another ICT profile for college students video. Now you are ready to document the information. A good strategy can be to gather all your notes in a word processing application that then becomes the master file for your work. You might include excerpts that you copy-paste from internet sites, documents that you have marked and annotated, hypertext links that will return you to sites you have consulted, your own thoughts and observations, images, and when necessary, links to your research folder that will allow you to open these images, but marked and annotated in the appropriate software, your manuscript notes or excerpts from books that you have photographed, or audio and video files. As you document your information, go to the References tab, and using the Insert Footnote function, insert the sources of the documents that you consulted. This will save you a lot of time when writing your project. Next, you are ready to go to the second phase, laying the groundwork for a first organization of the information. Is this resource appropriate for the introduction of your project? Move it. And in the Review tab, using the New Comment function, document your thoughts about this resource. Can the ideas contained in this excerpt be organized in a bullet list or a hierarchical list so it is clearer? This image may be essential to illustrate a concept or an idea. Group it with the concept to which it refers and write down your thoughts. In short, think about the place that all your resources might fit in the structure of your project and don't hesitate to add comments. For example, you can point out that this concept is not yet clear for you, or that you are starting to see links between the different ideas that you could explore further, that this resource contains material to support your argument, and so on. In the View tab, the Outline tool can be very useful. The options in the Outline Tools group enable you to see the structure of your document and to organize it quickly into hierarchical levels. But beware, in this view mode, the images are not visible, so you have to be careful not to delete them. Comments can be displayed in the Review tab by using the Reviewing pane function. The same organization principles apply equally well to the notes that you take in class. After the course, annotate and comment on your class notes, add hypertext links to the material provided by the teacher and to the supplemental reading, and add your own observations as well. You will then find it easier to make the connections between the different ideas and concepts being studied in your course. It is worth noting that some software programs, online or not, are also designed to gather your resources in one place and help you organize them. Their structure is similar to a binder. You can create a binder, separate it into sections, and add pages for each section, like you see here, to assemble all the resources for your project. In the Insert tab, the options enable you to insert all kinds of files, data in a spreadsheet, images, hyperlinks to the internet or to documents filed on your computer, as well as audio and video recordings. This type of software facilitates the step that involves thinking about, commenting on, and laying the groundwork for a first organization of your material because it is designed to take notes, to move elements from one section to another, to retrieve them using the search function, and to share them. Finally, feel free to use concept maps to gather and organize your information. They are a very effective tool for organizing information as they reproduce the way the brain deals with information by making connections between ideas. Or you can document the information for a project or a course in a wiki. Depending on your needs, you may decide to share it with other collaborators who can expand on it and enhance it. No matter what strategy you are most comfortable with, documenting the information, in other words, gathering it and organizing it, is a crucial step to facilitate the next step, which is analyzing the information.